Hello students, welcome to this video. In this video, I explain our first exercise question and answers. First question, which of the following are said? Justify your answer. Question number 1, the collection of all month of a year beginning with the letter J. The months January, June, July. This is a well defined. So, this form a set. That means we can write the answer in this way. The collection of all month of a year beginning with the J is January, June, July, which is well defined and hence it form a set. Second question, the collection of 10 most talented writer of India. Is this well defined? No. So, the collection of most talented writer of India is not well defined because opinion about most talented writers vary from person to person and hence it does not form a set. So, this is not a set. Second one. Third one. A team of 11 best cricket batsmen of the world. A team of 11 best cricket batsmen of the world is not well defined. Depending upon the person to person, it varies. So, it does not form a set. Fourth one, the collection of all boys in your class. Is this well defined? Yes. The collection of all boys in your class is well defined. Hence, it forms a set. We don't want no more justification. Next question, the collection of natural numbers less than 100. Which are they? Set 1, 2, 3, etc. up to 99. This is well defined. So, it's form a set. Next one, the collection of novels written by the writer Munshi Premchand. The novels written by the writer Munshi Premchand is well defined because we can find out the name of the novels. So, it is well defined. It also form a set. Premchand is well defined and hence it form a set. Next question, the collection of all even integers. Set etc. -4, -2, 0, 2, 4 etc. That is negative even numbers, 0 and positive even numbers, which is also well defined. Hence, it's form a set. Next question, the collection of question in this chapter. The collection of question in the chapter is also well defined and hence it form a set. Next one, the collection of most dangerous animal. Collection of most dangerous animal in the world. This is not a set because it is not well defined. Opinion about most dangerous animal vary from person to person and hence it does not form a set. So, the question number 2, 3 and 6 are not set. The others are set. Okay. Second question. Let A is equal to set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Insert the appropriate symbol on the blank space. The symbol is an element of, that is belongs to, an element belonging to that set. Look at that. The first question, 5. 5 is an element of the set? Yes. 5 is in the set A. So, its symbol we want to write. 5 belongs to. 5 is an element of the set. Second question, 8. 8 is an element in the set? No, 8 is not belongs to the set. So, 8 is not an element of. Second one, third one, 0. 0 is an element in the set A? No, 0 is not an element in the set. 0, not an element in the set A. What about 4? 4 is an element of the set A. So, we can write this as 4 is an element. Second, 2. 2 is an an element of the set A? Yes, 2 is also the element of the set A. So we can use this symbol. Then what about the last one? 10. 10 is an element of the set A? No, 10 is not an element in the set. So we can represent this as 10, not an element of the set A. Third question, write the following set in roster form. The question is in set builder form. We want to write this answer in roster form. Let A is equal to set of all x such that x is an integer and minus 3 less than x less than 7. So we can write A is equal to, set is an integer, but not all integers including in this section, only the integers in between minus 3 and 7. Not minus 3 and 7, between minus 3 and 7. So the number starting from minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Not including minus 3 and 7. Between minus 3 and 7. These are the numbers in this set. A is equal to minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Second question. B is equal to set of all x such that x is a natural number less than 6. Which are they? B is equal to set of all. Natural number means countable number. So it starts from 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Less than 6. So 6 is not including. Then next question. C is equal to set of all x such that x is a 2-digit natural number such that the sum of a digit is 8. The 2-digit natural numbers are starting from 10 and end with the 99. Then our question is 2-digit natural number and the sum of a digit is 8. So it's done. It is the first number 17. 1 plus 7 is equal to 8. So the first number is 17. Then we can write 71 also. 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. 71. Then what about the next number? 226. So 6 we can write 62. Next one is 35. So 53 is also right. 44. Next is 44. This much only. So 17, 71, 26, 62, 35, 53, 44. Adding the digit, we got 8. The order of the element in this set is not important. So we can write in any way. Okay, this is the set. C is equal to. Then what about next question? D is equal to set of all x such that x is a prime number which is divisor of 60. X is a prime number which is divisor of 60. Divisor of 60. Which are the divisors of 60? First we write all the divisors of 60. You can easily find out that 1 into 60 equal to 60. So 1 and 60 are divisors of 60. Then 2 into 30 equal to 60. So 2 and 30 are divisor. 3 into 20. 3 and 20 are divisor. 4 into 15. So 4 and 50 are divisor. 5 into 12. So 5 and 12 are divisors of 60. 6 into 10. 6 and 10 are divisors of 60. Then what about 7? 7, 8, 9 are not divisor of 60. Then our question is x is a prime number which is divisor of 60. So we want to write only the prime numbers from this set. The first prime number is 2. The smallest prime number is 2. So 2 is possible. 3 is also a prime number. And again 5 is a prime number. So our answer is D is equal to 2, 3, 5. Next question. E is equal to the set of all letter interval trigonometry. This is very simple. How we can write this as? The elements of the set are not repeated. So we write only one time the letters. T, R, I, G, N, O, M, E. Next is Y. This much only. We write only the elements are not repeated. In a set, the elements are not repeated. So we write only one time. Second question. If the last question. F is equal to the set of all letter in the word better. The same way we can write this as B, E, T, R. T is not repeating twice. We write only one time. B, E, T, R. F is equal to the set B, E, T, R. Okay. Fourth question. Write the following set in the set builder form. The question is given in roster form. We want to write that in a set builder form. First question. The set 3, 6, 9, 12. All the objects of the sets are natural numbers and are multiple of 3. So, we can write this as A is equal to set of all x such that x is a, or we can write S is equal to 3n. Then, what is n? N is an element of natural numbers and n take the value 1 less than or equal to n less than or equal to 4. When n equal to 1, 1 into 3 equal to 3. When n equal to 2, 3 into 2 is equal to 6. When n equal to 3, 3 into 3 equal to 9. When n equal to 4, 3 into 4 equal to 12. We got all the elements of this set. Okay. Next question. Set 2, 4, 6, 8, 16, 32. All the objects of this set are natural numbers that are power of 2. So we can write this as B is equal to set of all x such that x is equal to 2 raised to n, where n is an element of natural number and n take the values 1 less than or equal to n less than or equal to 5. That means n take the values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When n equal to 1, 2. n equal to 2, 2 square is equal to 4. 2 cube equal to 6. 2 raised to 4 equal to 8. 2 raised to 5 equal to 16. 2 raised to 5 equal to 32. Once more I explain. 2 raised to 1 equal to 2. 2 square equal to 4. 2 cube is equal to 6. 2 raised to 4 is equal to 2 raised to 1 equal to 2. 2 square equal to 4. 2 cube equal to 8. 2 raised to 4 equal to 16. 2 raised to 5 equal to 32. So, we can write this as B is equal to set of all x such that x is equal to 2 raised to n, n element of n, and 1 less than or equal to n less than or equal to 5. Okay. Next question. Set 5, 25, 125, 625. All the objects of the sets are natural numbers and the power of 5. So, we can write C is equal to set of all x such that x is equal to 5 raised to n, n element of n, and n take the values 1 less than or equal to n less than or equal to 4. n take the values 1 to 4. including 1 and 4. 5 times 5 raised to 1 equal to 5. 5 square equal to 25. 5 cube equal to 125. 5 raised to 4 equal to 625. Then, next question. Set of all 2, 4, 6, etc. All the objects of the set are even natural numbers. That's very simple. D is equal to x such that x is an even natural number. Even natural number. Even natural number. X such that x is an even natural number. Next question. Set 1, 4, 9, 100, etc. up to 100. All the objects of the set are perfect squares. Look at that. 1 square equal to 1. 2 square equal to 4. 3 square equal to 9, etc. 10 square equal to 100. So we can write this as D is equal to set of all x such that x is equal to n square, where n and n, it is n 1 less than or equal to n less than or equal to 10. N takes the values 1 less than or equal to n less than or equal to 10. Clear? Fifth question. Let's list all the elements of the following set. First question. A is equal to set of all x such that x is an odd natural number. Each element is a odd natural number. So, we want to write this in the roster form. We can write that. Which are the numbers? We start with 1. 1, 3, 5, 7, etc. It's not ending. Second question. B is equal to set of all x such that x is an integer in between -1 by 2 and 9 by 2. Look at that. Which are the first number? We start from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3. 9 by 2 means 4.5. So, the integer does not exceed 4. Up to 4. 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. It is the answer. Then, third question. C is equal to set of all x such that x is an integer, x square less than or equal to 4. That means square of a number do not greater than 4. Look at that. -2 the whole square. That is equal to 4. So, we can choose -2. Then, what about -1 the whole square? That's equal to 1. So, -1 is also including. 0 square equal to 0. 0 is also included. X is an integer. 1. 1 square equal to 1. 2 square equal to 4. These are the elements in this section. -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. Okay. Next question. D is equal to set of all x such that x is a letter in the word loyal. We can write it there easily. L, O, Y, A. We don't want to write L again. Next question. E is equal to set of all x such that x is a month of the year not having 31 days. Which are the answer is E. E is equal to February. February. Then April, June, September and November. these months have days less than 31. Okay. Then last question. F equal to, set of all x such that x is a consonant in the English alphabet which precede k. Also the k is given in capital letter. So we can write the elements in capital letter. And which are the elements? Consonants not preceding k. So the consonants up to j. First one is B, then C, D is not there, F, G, H, J. So F is equal to set B, C, D, F, G, H, J. It's clear? Next question, question number 6. Match each of the set on the left in the roster form with the same set in the right described in set builder form. So, first we consider the set builder form. For the first question, look at that. Set x such that x is a prime number and divisor of 6. Which are the divisor of 6? Look at that. 1 into 6 equal to 6. So 1 and 6 are divisor. 2 into 3. 2 into 3 equal to 6. So 2 and 3 are divisors. Then our question is, x is a prime number and the divisor of 6. The divisors are 1, 2, 3 and 6. And which are the prime numbers? 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 are only prime numbers. So A is matching to 2. A is matching to 2. Second question. Set of all x such that x is an odd natural numbers less than 10. Odd natural numbers less than 10. Which are they? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So this is in the fourth. So 4 and B are matching. C. Set of all x such that x is a natural number and divisors of 6. We are already seen that. Which are the divisors? 1, 2, 3 and 6. So 1 is matching to C. Then the last question. Set of all x such that x is a letter of the word mathematics. We know that this is 3 is matching to D. It's clear? Okay students, this all. Hence the matching is 1 to C, 2 to A, 3 to D, 4 to B. Students, this much only in this video. So, next topic is different types of set. That we'll discuss in the next